Hello and welcome to our channel Digital Travels. In today's video, we'll learn how to adjust our receipt vouchers, journal vouchers, cancellation against an invoice. So let's move towards the video. For example, Parvati is traveling from Jaipur to Bangalore with her husband. Let's create an invoice first. Log into your account, go to billing option, click on invoices, click on new button, choose the category, enter the party name. We'll first create the party. Click on add button, enter the passenger name. Airline is 6E for example. PNR number is this. Ticket number automatically copies the PNR value. We can also edit in case if it's different. Enter the flight number. Select the journey date. Now we'll enter the route. Basic amount is 5,000 and we are selling it at 7,000. Supplier is Akbar Private Limited. Click on OK. Now we'll also enter one more passenger. Click on copy passenger. For example, Parvati's husband's name is Arav. We'll enter Arav's name in passenger. Enter the ticket number of Arav. Click on add button. With the same details, another passenger has been created. Now we'll click on save button. Our invoice is created. Now we'll record one cancellation. Click on cancellation. Click on new button. Select the type. Enter the party name, which is Parvati. We'll click on invoice search button. Now both the passengers are showing here. We want to cancel the ticket of Arav. Click on edit button. This ticket is for 7,000. We'll be charging 4,000 for the cancellation. And Akbar has also charged us 4,000. So we are not earning anything on cancellation. We'll also enter the cancellation charges charged by Akbar here at the charge field. So it is 4,000. We'll be getting 1,000 as a refund. Click on OK button and click on save button. We have cancelled one passenger's ticket. Now let's create a receipt voucher. Go to voucher, click on receipt voucher. This is a view where you can search the existing receipts. Click on new button. Here we will be entering the party's name, which is Parvati. The current ledger balance of Parvati is shown here, which is 11,000. For example, Parvati has given us 5,000 rupees in cash. Enter the narration. Click on save button. Now we'll create a journal voucher. For example, Parvati has paid remaining amount to one of our supplier. We'll click on journal voucher. Click on new button. Now, as Parvati has given the amount, there is no due amount, hence Parvati will be credited and she has paid the amount to our supplier. So, supplier will be debited. So, our supplier is Akbar Private Limited and Parvati will be credited by 6,000. We'll enter the narration, click on save button. Now, let's first check the ledger of Parvati. Go to accounts option, click on ledger button, enter the ledger name. So, the ledger says we have created an invoice for two passengers of rupees 14,000. We have cancelled Arav's ticket. So, now remaining amount which we will receive is 11,000. We have received 5,000 via cash. So, now remaining amount is 6,000 and 6,000 Parvati has paid directly to our supplier, which makes her ledger balance as 0. Now, we want to adjust all these transactions against this domestic invoice. For that, we'll go to vouchers, we'll go to bill adjustment, enter the party name, click on view button. Now it shows domestic refund, receipt and JV which can be adjusted against the invoice. We can also check the pending bills. It says that domestic bill number 10 is due to be adjusted. We can also check the report of adjustments. First, we'll adjust the balances and then we'll check the report. So now we'll first adjust our cancellation against this invoice. We'll click on edit icon. It shows the type of that refund, cancellation number, date and amount of that credit note. Now we'll be adjusting it against the domestic bill number 10. So out of 14,000, we are adjusting 3,000 as in credit note. So now balance value of this domestic bill is 11,000. Click on save button. Click on yes. Now our cancellation is adjusted against that invoice. In pending bills, it still says that this invoice is due, but now instead of 14,000, it says that the balance amount is 11,000. If you'll check the report, it shows that out of 14,000, 11,000 is remaining and the amount is adjusted against the refund. Let's adjust our receipt and JV as well. Click on edit icon in front of receipt. Enter the adjust amount. Receipt amount is 5,000. Balance amount is 6,000 now. Click on save button. Click on edit icon in front of JV. We'll enter the JV's value, which is 6,000. Now the balance of this invoice is 0. Click on save button. Click on yes. Now there is nothing that can be adjusted against this invoice. If we'll check pending bills, that invoice will not show here as the balance has become 0. But we can check the report. If you will click on view, here it says that this invoice has been adjusted against following vouchers. Currently this report is bill wise report. You can also check receipt wise report, where it shows that these vouchers have been adjusted against this invoice. So this is all about this video. I hope you like this feature. If you have any query or suggestion regarding this feature, let us know in the comment section below. Do not forget to hit like button and share this video with your fellow travel agents. If you are a travel agent and you require a billing, accounting and CRM software for your travel agency, then you know whom to contact. Our contact details are mentioned in the description below. We do offer 30 days free trial, so what are you waiting for? Thank you so much.